Yes, chemistry students of class 11th. Now, chapter name, some basic concept of chemistry. In this chapter, today we are taking up a topic. The topic name is percentage composition. Percentage composition. All right. So, what is this, children? Percentage composition simple. For the determination of molecular formula and empirical formula, the percentage composition of each element of the compound should be known. All right. So next, what is percentage composition? See this percentage composition of the compound. Percentage composition of percentage composition. Right? What is this? So children, percentage of composition of compound is a relative mass of each. It is relative mass of each element. All right? It is relative mass of each of the constituent element. So children, it is a relative mass of each of the constituent elements in 100 parts of it. In 100 parts of it. So this is the concept of percentage composition. Now, formula, percentage of formula, very simple, children. So percentage of formula, percentage of element. Percentage of element is equal to mass of element upon molecular mass into 100. Okay. So example point of view, I am taking here water. So water atomic mass 18 gram. Percentage of hydrogen, it contains 2. One round off, we are taking 1 gram, so round off 2 upon 18 into 100. So the percentage will come. Now this compound contains 2 elements, one is hydrogen, other. So percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of hydrogen. Okay, so we will calculate this. So this is a technique. Now next is percentage composition. How we can calculate the percentage composition? Now if percentage of each element is given, children, so we will draw a table. Percentage composition in the numericals, it is given serial number, element name, percentage of element, atomic mass, atomic ratio, or simplest ratio, or simplest whole number ratio. Third, simplest whole number. So children, this data we need to learn. These points, this data is very important, children. Okay, serial number is. Now we are taking to understand this percentage of this. Okay, so children, if we know the simplest whole number, so we can calculate empirical formula and then molecular formula. Realize is a molecular formula is equal to n factor into empirical formula. This is we know. All right, children. So one more important relationship I am telling. One more important relationship I am telling. Right, and easy. Okay, and easy method. This is the alternative method, easy method, or alternative method to calculate the number of element. Right. So number of element, children, number of element in compound. Number of element, number of atoms, or we would say number of atom, right? Specify number of atoms in compounds, right? Number of atoms of elements in compounds. So children, same we are doing here. So number of atoms of an element in compound, right? That is equal to percentage of element multiplied by 100. So write percentage of element divided by 100 molecular mass of compound. Molecular mass of the compound divided by, so molecular percentage of element divided by 100 into molecular mass of compound and atomic mass. Okay. So children, this is an alternative method to calculate the number of atoms of element in compound. To calculate the number of atoms of an element in compound, percentage of element upon 100 into molecular mass of the compound. So molecular mass of the compound upon atomic mass. So use this formula to calculate the number of atoms. So this is alternative method, children. Now we are using this traditional method, conventional method to calculate this. So remember this formula. Now we are running. So children, regarding this, we are taking if 1, 2, suppose X element is given, Y element is given. So percentage is given, right? And percentage is given, whatever the percentage is given, X or Y element, suppose 12%, 10%. Alright. So what you will do? Atomic mass. To calculate atomic mass is equal to element, any X upon 12. So atomic mass will be the, suppose X element, that will be the fixed. It is fixed value. It is fixed. So divide percentage upon atomic mass. Percentage upon atomic mass. Okay, atomic ratio will come. So whatever the value will come, realize this value. Okay, atomic ratio, and then do a very simple number and divide it by the smallest number. Smallest divisor. Okay, number and smallest number. Similarly, the number element as I put this, and write simplest whole number. This is the simplest whole number. Okay, so put, it will come like this, 1, 2, whatever come. So right, so X 1, Y 2. So this will be our empirical formula, children. Okay, so this is we are repeating element, percentage of it is atomic mass. So to calculate atomic ratio, percentage divided by atomic mass. Okay, do in each, apply in each cases, and then calculate the simplest ratio. So after in this number of value and then divided by the smallest digit number, you will get this, and then you get a simplest whole number ratio. After getting, we can calculate the empirical formula. Now children, I am taking up one numerical. Okay, so one numerical of related to this numerical is belong to NCERT textbook. Question number that is a 1.34, right? So this problem will help us, right, to question what is saying. Suppose children, 1.34, this is saying this is a welding fuel. Okay, it is welding fuel. Okay, and it contains carbon and hydrogen only. Okay, on combustion or burning, it gives CO2, it produces water, right? So on burning a welding fuel, burning a small sample of it in oxygen gives 3.38 gram 3.38 gram CO2, and burning this fuel, it is giving water, and water 0.690 gram. So children, the mass of water is given, mass of CO2 is given. Okay, and it is also saying no other element, no other product form. no other product form. Children, now in case in this numerical it is adding one, a volume of 10 liter, a volume of 10 liter measured at STP. Okay, a volume of 10 liter at STP of this welding gas, is found to weigh 11.6 gram. WEIGH, weight, that is 11.6 gram. So children, calculate three things. So in this numerical, calculate empirical formula, molar mass of the fuel, and molecular formula also. So first we will calculate empirical formula in this. Okay, so children, it is very simple. The mass is given into the mass of CO2 is given. So first from C plus CO2. Okay, so CO2 mass is given, that is a 3.38 gram. Okay, 38.38 gram is given. So similarly, hydrogen is given H2O 18 gram. So first we will calculate the percentage of carbon. So percentage of carbon, that is a 12 upon 44 into 3.38, whatever the value will come. Similarly, percentage of hydrogen, 2 upon 18 into 0.690, calculate the value. So when you will divide this 12 upon this, right, so mass of carbon will come. So first we are calculating mass of carbon, alright, then we will calculate percentage. So first we are calculating mass, then percentage we will come. So mass of carbon, when you will divide 12 upon 44 into 3 point this, so you can use a very simple technique or this. So mass of carbon will come 0.922 gram, alright, and when you will divide 2 upon 18, 2 1 19, okay, 90. So when you will divide this value by this, so you will get 0.77, right, 0.077 gram. Okay, so one value is 0.992. when you will divide this simple value 0.77 gram, round off, this value will come. Now total mass C plus H, 0.922 plus 0.077, that will come 0.999 gram. Okay, so total mass of, right, carbon hydrogen sample, that will be our 0.99 gram. Okay, so now calculate the percentage. So percentage of carbon, children, so percentage of carbon, 0.922 divided by 0.999 multiplied by 100. So what is the percentage will come? Similarly, percentage of hydrogen, 0.077 divided by 0.99 into 100 total mass. So whatever the value will come, right? So it will come 92 point something. When you will divide this, so simply it will come very close to 92.29, and when you will calculate this data, okay, so this value will come 7.71%. So this percentage we have got. Okay, children, so you can write this calculation, percentage of carbon and hydrogen. This data is important for us. This data we will use in the table. Percentage of hydrogen, percent of hydrogen. So simple, very simple. In this numerical, directly percentage of carbon is not given directly, percentage of hydrogen is not given directly. So here is given in form of CO2, mass is given in gram. So first calculate the mass of carbon, then calculate the percentage of carbon. So first calculate the mass of hydrogen, then calculate the percentage of hydrogen. total add up, percentage of I. So this is a simple method. Now after the problem become very easy. Now we will use tabular form. This data is very important, children. Okay. So in this numerical, first we will calculate empirical formula. Okay. So empirical formula, first we will draw a table, and these don't remember to write this. So in the right you can have percentage of carbon is given 92.29. Percentage of hydrogen is given 7.7. Okay, this is we have calculated. Now rub it. I am rubbing all, and I am designing a table. Serial number, element, okay, percentage, atomic mass, okay, atomic ratio, okay, simplest whole number ratio, okay. So children, first two, carbon, hydrogen, percentage 92.2, 7.71, 12, hydrogen 1. Okay, so first calculate the atomic ratio. 92.29 divided by 12 and 7.71 divided by 1. So 7.7 will come. So children, when you will divide 12 by this, so it will come very close to 7.69. Now simple. So this is value is small, this is a large value. Okay. So children, 7.69 divided by 7.69. So value will come 1. Same way, 7.71 divided by 7.69. So when you will divide this, so again round off, one value will come. So this is the simplest whole number value, children. Okay, after getting this, we will come to the right empirical formula. Children, we know carbon 1. This is here is value 1, so write 1. Hydrogen, another element is hydrogen. 1 is come, write 1. So C1H1. This is empirical formula, and mass 12.1 is equal to 13 gram. So children, this is a empirical formula. Now next in the numerical part, it is asking B part. What is the, he is asking ki molar mass of the fuel. Okay, molar mass of the fuel. Okay, so in the numerical it is given, we will use the numerical, right, in calculating molar mass. So mass given, right, upon volume given into standard molar volume, that has to be 22.4 liter. Okay, so put the value, mass of given 11.6 gram, liter 10, 22.4 liter. So children, when you will divide this, it will come 26 gram. So this is a molar mass. Children, first empirical mass is this, second is this, 26 gram. Now in third part, it is what is asking, calculate molecular formula. So children, molecular formula, this is very important relationship. Molecular formula, mass is equal to N into empirical formula. So children, N is equal to molecular formula 26. This is empirical mass, that is 13. So take divided by 2. So children, N factor is 2. So we know that important molecular formula is equal to 2 into 13. So 26. So this is a molecular formula. A molecular mass is 26. So children, in this way, this problem we have calculated. So for all type of problem we can solve. So this problem, if we are able to solve, then all related to this percentage composition we can solve, children. So numerical, this is we have solved. Now next we have recap. in percentage composition, children. Percent composition is very important. So children, so first point is this recap. So what is percent composition and the formula of percentage composition and the alternate, okay, alternate method, number of atom of element in a compound. So children, we have also a formula. That formula we can also use in calculating the number of atom, and this is a conventional method of solving the numerical problem related to the percentage composition, children. So children, in this way we have covered the topic percentage composition, and do practice more related to the percentage composition problem so that you will get perfect. Okay, so perfection is not a one-day program, it takes more time to perfect. So practice numericals on this topic. Thank you, children. All right.